I asked an AI for 10 ideas for automation in home assistance, and it provided the following list. 1. Smart home security system with automatic lock/unlock functions and real-time alerts for suspicious activity. 2. Automatic temperature control for heating and cooling systems, with the ability to set schedules and adjust remotely. 3. Voice-controlled virtual assistant for managing schedules, setting reminders, and controlling smart home devices. 4. Automatic lighting system that uses sensors to turn lights on and off based on room occupancy and natural light levels. 5. Smart home appliance control, including the ability to start and stop devices remotely, monitor usage, and set schedules. 6. Automatic blinds and window shades that can be controlled remotely or set to adjust based on the time of day and position of the sun. 7. Automatic watering system for lawns and gardens, with the ability to adjust watering levels based on weather conditions. 8. Robotic vacuum cleaner that can be scheduled to clean floors automatically and navigate around obstacles. 9. Automatic pet feeder that dispenses food on a schedule and can be controlled remotely. 10. Smart home energy management system that tracks usage and suggests ways to reduce energy consumption and save money.